Hello guys, welcome to Chi Jane Agritech. My name is Chika Mary Jane Wako and this is my very first video for this channel. I created this channel to explore the mind-blowing innovations transforming the world of agriculture, from AI-powered drones to agricultural robots to sustainable farming techniques. I will be bringing you the latest trends, insights, and breakthroughs shaping the future of food in our world, including startup stories and little gists here and there, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, I am sure you must have heard or seen the fast evolutions happening in agriculture. This is simply technology leading the way. For example, vertical farming. I'll be telling you a little of vertical farming, just a little. We'll still talk about it in our upcoming videos. So vertical farming is simply a method of growing crops in tall stacked layers rather than spreading them across large fields like we do it traditionally. This method of farming makes it possible to grow so much crops with lesser resources. The vertical farming method saves a lot of space, uses 90% less water. It is done in a controlled environment. You can grow food all year round. Like, you don't have to wait for season of tomatoes or season of spinach or season of one crop or the other. Like, you can just grow your crops all year round. And it has less needs for pesticides. Then coming to the challenging, one of the major challenges of using the vertical farming method is that it uses a lot of electricity because it needs artificial light and temperature control. So this is the major problem a lot of people are having. But guess what? Solar energy comes to the rescue again. So a lot of people now install solar energy to help reduce the cost of electricity in managing a vertical farm. Let's watch this man from South Africa who has successfully installed his vertical farm and is using solar energy to reduce the cost of electricity. He has been able to do this with the help of some professionals from agronomy, and this has been so good.
Meet Helder, the owner of Afroponic Pura Vida, which is a vertical farm featuring 100 aeroponic towers located in Africa that is not only off the grid, but is also 100% solar powered. We were recently in Africa assisting Helder to install his vertical farm with the goal to provide locally grown crops in a country that imports the majority of its food. Besides the fact that Helder owns a sustainable tower farm in the island nation of Cape Verde, he is also a well-known local celebrity and musician known as Heavy H. One of the coolest aspects of this farm is that they can save up to 95% water usage compared to traditional farming methods, which is ideal considering that Cape Verde has been experiencing years of drought, creating record levels of food insecurity. Helder's farm is growing a wide range of leafy greens which are already available for purchase in local grocery stores. This farm is setting the example of how farmers can redefine the food supply chain through eco-friendly and sustainable agricultural solutions.
And that was just one example of so many people who has been able to use solar energy to reduce the cost of electricity in their vertical farms. So this technology is worth venturing into. We are going to be talking more about this in upcoming videos, so please stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, do share your thoughts in the comment section. I will be waiting there. I will be replying to your comments. I will be chatting with you. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.